Good morning. It's good to be with you again, and I wanted to go over an essay or how I would write an essay. I feel like maybe I didn't spend enough time explaining what I wanted on your original assignment. The original assignment, what does it mean being in God's image? You see, typing is not my strength. What does it mean being in God's image? So here's how I would do it. I just want to show you the way my brain thinks and the way I would approach it if this was my assignment. And I read the introduction and chapter one in our textbook. And so I would begin an essay by just writing down some thoughts. Um, PP is an abbreviation for paragraph. So, first thought would be humans are created because we know human beings are created in God's image. And so, use Genesis 1:26, maybe quote that or show that as a quote, and then explain the fact that we are created by God is our special connection to Him and from Him. And so, using opening paragraph, mention being in God's image, mention the fact that we're created by Him, and the fact that after humans were created, God said it was very good. So we see the distinction in humans compared to others. So I'm just jotting down thoughts, but in jotting down my thoughts, you can see I almost have a full paragraph. So the fact that um, humans are distinct in created beings, especially in regards to created beings in God's image, then my second paragraph, in a good essay, the paragraphs will flow one to another. So if I concluded the first paragraph with the idea that after humans were created, and God said it was very good, and that was a distinction, then I would emphasize um, being distinct includes. What are some of the things being distinct includes? Well, um, some of God's characteristics um, are given or are seen in humans. Uh, Reasoning is one. Relationships would be another. And so, as a result of that, again, excuse my typing, um, there you can write a sentence about relationships. Like we can have a relationship with God, we can have a relationship with someone with other human beings. Um, that God's characteristics that are seen in humans include reasoning. We have the ability to thought process and to connect. So that would be another distinction. So there again, you can see a few more sentences if you developed those thoughts. And then my closing paragraph would be so we talked about relationships with others and relationships with God. Since we can have relationships, um, that would then, again, just thinking out loud, then those relationships bring responsibilities. we are to love like God loves. That's a way we show um, or reflect God's image. And other ways to reflect God's image is how we treat other people. So again, just jotting down thoughts, we can see, or I hope you can see from my thought process, how you've developed 3 paragraphs. You flesh out these thoughts with, into full sentences, which I didn't do here, but I just want to give you an idea of what all of this looks like. And so then, since we have responsibilities to reflect God, um, probably my closing sentence would be along the lines of, um, in reflecting God, let's see, how would I put it? In reflecting God, we reveal God's image through us. So again, just a way that I would develop a paragraph. And so hopefully this video helps. And I want to make one thing perfectly clear. The only way to become a better writer is to write. So I want to encourage you with this video. I'll make this video available to you. Obviously, every topic, obviously you could do this with just about any topic. And so I'm going to show this in class, and then we'll talk more about it.